Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka DK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the wobble bass aka the Wub Wub bass.
Beatbox.
The wobble bass is one of the main variation of the lip oscillation, and I expect you guys to learn the lip oscillation before you start to learn this sound. And if you guys aren't familiar with the lip oscillation, do check out my previous tutorial on the lip oscillation and get back to this video. The link to the tutorial of the lip oscillation is mentioned in the description below. And after you guys have the lip oscillation broken down, the next step is to learn to blow out the air circled in your mouth by using your tongue, similar to the whistle in the water drop sound, like. But this time, don't do the whistle, just focus on pushing the air in your mouth out by using only your tongue, like. And after you get that, keep your lips together by tightening the sides of your lips and keeping the center relaxed, and try to blow out air by using your tongue like before to get a wobble sound like. And the final step to get the wobble bass is to combine a tight lip oscillation along with the wobble sound like. And after you guys get the sound, a practice pattern would be. And an intermediate pattern would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.